The ICICI Bank Limited, represented by its regional head Sushanta Nayak and Shri Sumit Chetri, branch manager, ICICI branch Joai, presented 8 numbers of oxygen concentrators to the Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills District Joai, Shri Garrett L.N.S. Dykes, IS, as the part of their CSR efforts to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Out of these oxygen concentrators, 3 machines will be set up at MCH Joai, 2 each in Mulong CHC and Nong Talang CHC, and 1 in Lasken CHC. The initiative is aimed at creating a local emergency healthcare infrastructure in the form of oxygen support to stabilize patients at the block level itself. Also present at the presentation was the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Extra Assistant Commissioner and District Medical and Health Officer, West Janta Hills.